We're going to have a quick look at Teams. Teams are basically collaborative spaces where you can share documents, communicate with each other, and collaborate on a variety of projects. Initially, you're going to be set up with a departmental team. So for instance, I only have one team at the moment, that is the Computing Science Department team. Ultimately, you may have teams for your classes, you may have teams for sports clubs, for extracurricular activities. You can set up your own teams, or some of them will be set up for you. So as I say, at the moment you have the departmental team. If I click on it there's currently only one section. The Microsoft call these different things, but basically you can have as many subsections as you like by adding channels. So you can add a first year channel, or a research channel, or a project channel, or whatever, but you have by default a general channel. The general channel is what you see over here. That's what you see the first time. The first part of the general channel is the conversations tab, and in this you get a sort of summary of all the things that are happening in that particular team. So you can see when new people are added, when new activities take place, upcoming events can be mentioned in here, but there's also an opportunity for a conversation. So at the moment there is only Hello Computing, so you just type in there anything you like. Oops, helps if we don't say rude words. So we type that in there, and if you wish to draw someone's attention to it in particular, you type the @ symbol and then start to type their name. So as you start to type their name, it will say, oh, is it this person you want? Yes, it is. And that person their attention will then be drawn to this conversation, and it will be highlighted for them that there's a message waiting for them, and they know they can go and look at the Teams to find it. Next tab along is Files, and this essentially is another way into your departmental folder. So as well as having it as a network drive, you can also access it through Teams here. So there's the documents, the folders that I copied earlier, here's the individual document that I copied earlier, and so on. So all these are for us in Files. It's just another way into the same things, and as we did before, we can hit the dots and we can go straight to opening it in Word Online or opening it in Word. We can move it somewhere else, rename it, all these kind of things. So everyone in the team has access to these files, so this is just another way in to your departmental shared folder. Staff Notebooks uses something called OneNote. So OneNote could be really useful. It's a hugely useful collaborative space where you can capture text and graphics and websites and all sorts of other things, but that needs an entire day or training session to itself, I think, so we're not going to go into that just now. Just the main thing is the chance to have a conversation and collaborate with each other, and the chance to have a shared file area as part of Teams are the kind of main starting point for Teams. A whole lot of other things you can do, like arranging meetings, that again you can have an explore, and we may talk about using them at some point in the future.